short answer, not really. If you're writing a blog post and you need your piece to hit certain SEO target, that's search engine optimization, well, ChatGPT just is not going to be able to do that for you. Why? Because ChatGPT and other AI models cannot create original content. Instead, they scour the interwebs for content that already exists. It's not a human being. It does not and cannot create information out of thin air. Why does that matter? Because search engines like Google are actually searching for original content. So the piecemeal approach that ChatGPT takes just isn't going to cut it. It's not going to stand out against the human-written original information, and you're not going to have any luck in the search engine results. Honestly, any writer over the age of 10 could out SEO ChatGPT. But if writing's not your jam, don't worry. Get yourself a copywriter. Don't turn to AI for help. Copywriters know writing, and we know SEO.